Guys, I was just playing Monkey See, Monkey Doo Doo VR, and I think we just found our first ghost. You heard it right, guys. Oh my God, guys!
What you do to us?
The heck? This is really funny, actually. Where'd he go? No! Did he leave? Bro, I liked him. He was so good. It was a ghost.
Take my poop. Yeah. You, box monkey. Box monkey. Can you go in a match with me? I don't want to be alone. Please. I'll go with you. Come. It's over here. Come. We have to go in. I see you.
Did you guys see that? There's like a ghost. Well, I'm gonna stop recording. That was crazy.
I'm coming back up. Yo, guys, who wants to see